So this is what we'll be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. Now, that's to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button, guys. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So first thing first, we need to know our trend. That is the first thing first you would want to know. What is the trend? And as we can clearly see, EURJPY is in an uptrend move. Remember, it is in an uptrend move. So basically, we will be looking for more movement to the upside. So once again, subscribe in order for you to know any updates. Now let's follow this movement, how market was playing. If you take a look at it, let's start from here for quick analysis. If this is seen as the impulsive move, within this impulsive move, there is a series of higher high and low, especially when you go to your 1 hour time frame and your 4 hour time frame. Once you go down to your 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame, you see a series of higher high and an higher low. Then this is the pullback phase, exhaust market exhausted. Then this is the impulsive move, and market was able to, give us the corrective phase. Then this is the impulsive move and the pullback phase. Now this is also another impulsive move, and market is currently on a pullback phase. Market is currently giving us a pullback, right? Once this pullback is over, we should be expecting another bullish move that should form new high, thereby giving us an impulsive move. So a bullish move next is what we should be expecting on our Euro JPY. So guys, Euro JPY for the day should be giving us a bullish move. Now let's go down to the 4 hour time frame. So what the market did here, so market did this movement. See what market did here, right? Market did this high and the higher low. This is the higher high and the higher low. Now this is also the higher high and the higher low, right? Market was able to push up again and formed a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? So market formed an higher low. So our next movement on our Euro JPY is another bullish move that should form a new higher high. So guys, for this day, for the day, we should be expecting Euro JPY to give us a bullish move. Now, if there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, all you just need to do is click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.